thunderstorm warning for Boundary County in the Panhandle of Idaho, Western Bonner County in the Panhandle of Idaho, Ponderay County, East Washington, Stevens County, Washington, until 5:15
No, it's not for us.
Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:20 p.m. Pacific
It's not for us, so we're good.
Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms producing destructive winds.
It's not for Spokane County, so we're good.
Gusting to 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 20 miles southwest of Choila to 8 miles east of Ethel.
Yep, our power's completely out too, so.
Yep.
Alright, well, I'll talk to you in a little bit.
Company, the damaging winds.
Alright, bye-bye.
Impacted include Sand Point, Founders Ferry, Priest River, Colville, Choila, Newport, Ponderay, Moy Springs, Kootenai, Dover, Northman, Copeland, Kettle Falls, Iona, Northport, Springdale, Medellin Falls, Cusick, Old Town, and Marquess. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following